Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Montasia Stevens. On here is the Tasia to Leak, and today I'll be showing you guys how I do these dramatic lashes. Ooh, my light just went out. I know this one's gonna go out in a second now too. But if you guys are interested in watching this video, please keep watching. Okay, so for lashes, I got these two from Amazon. I used this pack in the previous video. It's the Zenlify, something like that. I'll link it. And another pack, I love EKD false eyelashes. Of course, I'll link it. Of course, the link is still in my Amazon. But it's these two lashes. I want a more fuller, dramatic look. So I'm gonna use two. We're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I put one lash on. I'm trying to see if I like it or not. It's the thickest I have went, but we're gonna go ahead and get started. Obviously, if you're watching this video, you may like it. I like it. I don't know how it fits on my eye. But anyways, let's see. So I took the two lashes off the tray. So I just have them two right here, just laying there, they chilling. And I'm gonna put them together. I put the yellow at the bottom and the white at the top. And I'm just gonna put them together. Since there's kind of glue already on it from the lash tray, I don't have to like add any glue. And I'm just like pressing it together so it's really sticking. At first I was just gonna like cut it up, put those on, and then cut the other one and put it on top. But I don't have to do that. I can just do them together. I probably would do that for like a more wispy look, but this one is wispy, but it's not like super wispy. I'm gonna try a different like lash style. Like this is more cat eye, and because my eyes are like they go down at the end, I probably should like do something shorter at the end, like do a doll eye, which is where short in the front, short in the back, and long in the middle. So I smushed them together. Now we're good for here. Blink, blink, blink. Yeah. And I'm gonna cut them. I cut mine. You can cut them as skinny as you want, as thick as you want. I do about about 3 cuts, which is 4 like little pieces in total. Here's the first one. And I just like to find like a break point to where like the lashes are like thin in the area, and I cut it there. And this one, it's already kind of short, but my eyes are not really that long, so I don't have space to hold like the full lash. So I cut it in half, and more than likely, but each eye is different. I may end up using it, I may not. Like on this eye, I just used 3. I didn't use like the front little piece, which I probably won't use because I probably won't have enough space to use it. So I got 3 pieces. Can't really see them. You can see them. So you see the 3 pieces. And now I'm gonna take my lash glue. I use still the same glue. Well, not the same glue. This is a different glue. I use the Duo. I have a new one, but it's not in the same like this one. I think it's the aloe kind. But if you want to see like the box, this, I'm not sure if it's focusing. But the Duo, this one is in blue, but I usually get the green, the aloe one. That's clear. I use clear, I don't use black. No rhyme or reason, I just use clear. So first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna pull your eye up. Use a mirror. Obviously you'll be using a mirror. I look in the mirror and I'm trying to get and the bottom of my lash line. I don't know why this eye is a little weird today. And I'm just dabbing glue close to my waterline, but not on my waterline, because that's where the lashes is going to sit, like right above your waterline. And you can add as much glue as you want. I don't use that much glue, strictly because like I ain't gonna pull them off. I pull them off. Okay, I got a problem. I pull my lashes off. Not my real lashes. I pull like any fake lashes. I pull them off. My body just rejects them. And I use, this came with like the Falscara Kiss lashes. I just use it for this. Or you can use any like lash tweezer you want. Hold your eye. Oh yeah. So I do like to put glue on the lashes as well. And I just basically just like put it on like the base. Put it on the base. Put it on the base. I don't know if y'all can see. But I'm just putting it on like the strip. I'm putting it on the actual strip, not the lashes. I'm gonna let that sit for a second. Let my eyes sit for a second. Probably like 10 seconds. You don't have to wait that long. And so here is the lash. I start with the outer corner. And you lift it up like how you put the glue on. And you just put it on the bottom, like right above your lash line. You'll know if you're on your lash line because once you like, what I like to do, sorry I can't talk and do it at the same time. I hold it there for like 2 seconds. I put a finger, make sure you don't have any like glue on your finger because then you're just gonna like pull the lash, and I'll hold it there like that. But 3 seconds, just to make sure it's not gonna move off when I move my hand. And I'm gonna do the same thing. So take the lash, hold your eye up, and place it right next to the other lash, but not on like top of it. Like they shouldn't be stacked. And this one is stuck pretty good, so I didn't have to like hold it. And make sure I don't have no gaps. It's a little gappy, but I don't care. And do the same thing with the last one. Let's see, yeah. See, like I said, I don't have room. Like after I put this one, I'm not gonna have room to put the other one. So put it down. And boom, we got lashes. And you can take these off at the end of the night and put some new, or put them on again. Like if you're like just like going out, you can do this, take them off and put them on like the next time you want to. We don't use that much glue, so like the same with regular lashes, you can reuse these. You just have to put them in order. Like just make the lash band again, just so you can see like which eye this goes on. But this is the lashes, y'all. I did all this. This clip was 8 minutes. Oh wait, this one eye. It can be shorter if you ain't got to talk. Like I had to talk, so that's why it took a little long. But that's it. So this is some dramatic lashes. I mean, it's thicker than my last lashes I did. I actually like the thick look. I don't know. Is it giving raccoon? I don't know. I don't know. But if you guys did enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.